Did you know that anxiety is a natural response to stress and is a part of our body's fight or flight system? It has evolved to keep us safe, but can sometimes become overwhelming. Anxiety can manifest in many ways, such as excessive worry, rapid heartbeat, or difficulty concentrating. Understanding these signs is the first step to managing them effectively. One of the most common triggers of anxiety is uncertainty about the future. Learning to embrace the unknown can reduce feelings of helplessness. Breathing exercises are a powerful tool for calming the mind. Slow, deep breaths signal your body to relax and reduce stress hormones. Physical activity plays a crucial role in managing anxiety. Exercise releases endorphins, which are natural mood elevators. A healthy diet can also influence your mental well-being. Consuming whole foods and avoiding excess caffeine and sugar can help stabilize your mood. Getting enough sleep is essential for managing stress and anxiety. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Practicing mindfulness can help you stay grounded. Techniques like meditation and yoga train your mind to focus on the present. Journaling your thoughts can provide clarity and reduce worry. Writing down your concerns allows you to process and understand them better. Social support is invaluable when dealing with anxiety. Talking to a trusted friend or loved one can provide relief and perspective. Learning to say no is an important skill for reducing anxiety. Overcommitting yourself can lead to unnecessary stress. Setting realistic goals can keep you from feeling overwhelmed. Break larger tasks into smaller, manageable steps to stay focused. Limiting your exposure to news or social media can reduce anxiety, especially when faced with constant negative information. Progressive muscle relaxation is a technique that involves tensing and relaxing muscle groups to release physical tension. Visualization techniques, like imagining a peaceful place, can redirect your mind from stressful thoughts to calming imagery. Avoiding perfectionism can significantly reduce anxiety. Remember, it's okay to make mistakes and learn from them. Sometimes, taking a break is the best thing you can do. Step away from stressful situations to recharge and regain clarity. Maintaining a gratitude journal can shift your focus to the positive aspects of your life and improve your overall mindset. Learning to challenge negative thoughts is a key component of cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT. Replace what-if scenarios with constructive thinking. Sometimes, anxiety requires professional help. Don't hesitate to seek therapy or counseling for guidance and support. Establishing a daily routine can provide a sense of control and predictability, which helps reduce anxiety. Pets can offer comfort and companionship. Spending time with animals has been shown to lower stress levels. Music therapy is another effective way to combat anxiety. Listening to calming tunes can instantly relax your mind. Art and creativity can serve as an emotional outlet. Drawing, painting, or crafting allows you to express and process feelings. Deepening your understanding of anxiety can help you feel more empowered. Education is a tool for overcoming fear. Remember to celebrate small victories. Every step you take toward managing anxiety is a step toward greater well-being. Did you know that laughing can reduce anxiety? Watching a funny movie or sharing a laugh with friends releases tension. In the middle of all this, remember to support content that helps you. Like this video and subscribe for more valuable tips and insights. Learning to forgive yourself and others can lighten emotional burdens and reduce chronic anxiety. Spending time in nature can help you recharge. A simple walk in the park or hiking trail can have therapeutic effects. Drinking herbal teas like chamomile or green tea can calm your nerves and promote relaxation. Setting boundaries in relationships or at work is vital. Protecting your time and energy reduces stress. Aromatherapy with essential oils like lavender or eucalyptus can create a peaceful environment. Understanding your triggers is key to managing anxiety. Identifying patterns can help you address the root causes. Anxiety thrives on avoidance. Facing your fears gradually can diminish their intensity over time. Hydration is often overlooked, but crucial. Drinking plenty of water keeps your body functioning optimally and your mind clear. Laughing at your fears might sound odd, but humor can be a great way to disarm anxiety and gain perspective. Reading can serve as an escape. Immerse yourself in a good book to take a mental break from daily stressors. Learning to trust yourself and your decision-making abilities builds confidence and lessens anxiety. Joining a support group for people with similar struggles can provide encouragement and shared coping strategies. Scheduling worry time might seem counterintuitive, but setting aside time to address concerns can help manage them effectively. Taking a digital detox gives your mind a break from constant connectivity, reducing overwhelm and anxiety. Understanding that anxiety is temporary can help you stay grounded. Remind yourself that this feeling will pass. Sometimes it's okay to ask for help. Reaching out to friends, family, or professionals is a sign of strength, not weakness. Making time for hobbies and interests brings joy and balance to your life, countering stress. Improving time management skills can reduce last-minute pressure and associated anxiety. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe for more videos like this.